Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Learning with Jay. Today we'll be continuing on the subject of mathematics and the topic of place value. If you want to see our introduction video to place value, there will be a link provided down below. So here we have 6 place value questions. And remember the rules with place value. We always start from our right and work our way to our left. And there can only be one number in each place value spot. Now we have number 1. So we are drawing our chart, and remember we have 2 digits. So we still have tens and ones. And the 2 numbers are 60 and 13. So we start from our right and work our way over to our left. So over on the ones column, we have 0 and 3. So we draw 3 strokes. And then we add them now. So 3 plus 0 gives us 3. Now we work our way over to our tens column, where we have 6 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So we draw 6 strokes, and draw our 1, and then we will count all of them together, and you will get 7. So the answer will now be 73. And another way to write 73 is 70 plus 3. Now we have number 2. So remember, we draw our column again. So we have tens and ones, and the 2 numbers are 79 and 10. So we start with our ones column. So we have 9 and 0. So we draw our 9 strokes first. And below the 9, we have 0. So we're not going to draw any strokes. So we're going to add them together. So 9 plus 0 gives us 9. Now we move our way to the tens column. So now we have 7 strokes at the top. So we draw our 7 strokes. And we have 1 stroke at the bottom. So we're going to add them together. So we count 7 plus 1, and it gives us 8. So now our answer would be 80, 89, or otherwise written as 80 plus 9. Now we're at number 3. So number 3, we draw our column as usual. So ones, tens. And the 2 numbers we have are 23 and 6. So we start from the ones columns, where we count our 3 strokes, and then we count the 6 strokes at the bottom. So 6 plus 3, when we add them together, we would get 9. Then we work our way over to our tens columns. So we have 2 tens and none at the bottom. So 2 plus 0 gives us 2. So we write the answer is 29, or 20 plus 9. Number 4. So as usual, we draw up our ones and our tens column, and the 2 numbers we have are 50 plus 29. So we draw our strokes for the ones column. So we'll have 7 strokes at the bottom. That's a 7 plus 0 will give us 7. Then we work over to our tens column, where it's 5 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So we count them together now and get 7. So the answer will be 77, or we can write it 70 plus 7. Now we're at number 5. As usual, we draw up our column first, and the 2 numbers that we have are 32 and 16. So we start with our ones column, where we have 2 at the top and 6 at the bottom. So when we add them together now, 6 plus 2, our total would be 8. Then move over to our tens column, where we have 3 at the top. So we draw 3 strokes and 1 at the bottom. So when we add them together again, we would get 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So we would write the answer as 48, or 40 plus 8. Practice questions with Dre. So now it's time for you to try these on your own. And write your answers in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.